Hello and welcome back to our channel, Wristworthy. We are back again with another exciting video of Bulova Lunar Pilot, and we will show you how you can align the second hand and microsecond hand to their perfect positions. As you can already see, the hands are not aligned properly. To align these hands, first you need to pull the crown to the level 2 position, level 1 and level 2. Now you need to push the top pusher, and as you can see, the second hand is moving. And when you hold down the pusher, you can see the second hand is sweeping through the watch. And then you have to release it. And this is how you can adjust the second hand. Now to adjust the microsecond hand, you need to do the same with the bottom pusher. Press it until it is on its perfect position. So this is how you can adjust the second hand and microsecond hand on the Bulova Lunar Pilot. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to watch more videos like this. Please click on the link in the description below to watch the complete review of the Bulova Lunar Pilot. Let us know in the comments what you think about the watch. Thank you for watching and stay wristworthy.